Okay, it is time to do the I can help you. Workbook.
Hello everybody. Today we are going to do pages 68 and 69 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and these pages are the Let's Learn More section of Unit 8. So we have some new animals over here, and in the student books, these animals were presented like this.
A monkey.
Monkeys. A lion.
Lions. A bear.
Bears. A giraffe.
Giraffes. An elephant.
Elephants.
Okay, let's start. We have the animal names over here, and this is one of them. So we have an. And then here we're going to make the plural more than one. So we have to add an S to them. And finally, we have to match it to the right picture. Here we go. Number 1, Noel. Nope, that becomes a lion. A Noel. What is a Noel? And that matches to lions. More than one. Has an S. And that matches to this picture. There are 2 lions. Number 2, we have a Yonmek. Could this word be elephant, monkey, or giraffe? Definitely monkey, because there's an M right there. So a monkey, K-E-Y, and that's going to match to here where there's an M, and all monkey can become monkeys, N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys, and these are monkeys. Number 3, a Frigief. Okay, could that be elephant or giraffe? Giraffe. There's a G there. So a giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. A giraffe. That's going to match to the G there, and we'll make it more than one. Giraffes. G-R-A-F-F-E-S. Giraffes. And there are 2 giraffes. Okay, that means the last one is going to be elephant, not thelepan. A thelepan? What is a thelepan? An elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Matches all the way up to here. And we'll write elephants. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. More than one. And that is this picture. Elephants. There are 2 elephants. All right, we are done part A. Let's go to part B. All right, in part B, it just says write. So we're going to make 6 sentences about the pictures. If there is nothing on the picture, we're going to write an I like oops sentence. And if there's an X, we will use don't. So we'll say, I don't like oops. And just remember that after we use the word like, whatever comes next, you have to add an S to it. Even if it's don't like, it's the same thing. Because this means all of this thing. So I don't like bears in South America. I don't like bears in France. I don't like bears in my house. I don't like bears. All of this thing, I don't like it. Let's start, but first, in your student books, it looked like this. Okay, let's start. Number 1, I like lions. I don't like bears. I like bears. I think bears are cute. I don't want a bear, but I like bears. They're fun to watch. Number 2, this is yes for giraffes and no for monkeys. So let's write I like giraffes. I like giraffes. And we'll write, I don't like monkeys. I don't like monkeys. And number 3, we have elephants and monkeys. This time, monkeys are yes and elephants are no. So I like monkeys. I don't like elephants. I like monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, sorry. I don't like elephants. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. Great, we are all done with part B. Time for part C. Part C just says write, so we're going to make a yes-no question for each of these blanks, and then just follow the dots or dashes or lines to the right pictures. Okay, in the student books, the yes-no question was the same, almost the same as what we had before, and it looked like this. Let's start. Do you like oops? Okay. Do you like lions? Trace it. And she's a little bit bored, so she says, no, I don't. Okay, the next one. Do you like bears? Do you like bears? B-E-A-R-S. Yes, I do. And the last one, do you like frogs? Do you like frogs? No, I don't. Okay, part C is finished. This is part D, and it says look and write. So these were the action phrases from this unit. And we had feed, which means give food, pet, which means touch nicely, see, which means see, and hear, which means use your ears. All right, we already have the afterwards, so let's just put in the missing animal here. First, feed. Feed a, what is she feeding? Feed a rabbit, feed a fish, feed a lion, feed a goat. Feed a fish. She's giving the fish food. Feed a fish. Number 2, pet a pet a rabbit, pet a lion, pet a goat. Great, pet a goat. Pet a goat. Number 3, see a. See a rabbit, see a lion. See a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Number 4, hear a lion. Hear a lion. L-I-O-N. And we are all done with part D, which means that our workbook is done for today. Nice job, everybody.